Ever stood in front of a painting and thought, this just feels right without knowing exactly why? That's unity and rhythm at work. It's the difference between scattered pieces and a symphony. Mastering Composition, Episode 8. Unity and Rhythm, the Music of Composition. Unity is what makes a painting feel whole, when every element, color, shape, texture, speaks the same visual language. Nothing feels out of place. Everything belongs. Rhythm in art is like rhythm in music. Repetition, variation, and flow. It guides the eye, creating movement across the canvas. Your gaze doesn't just look, it dances. When unity and rhythm work together, the artwork comes alive. It doesn't just sit on the wall, it sings. The composition feels intentional, vibrant, and in tune. Let's look closely at this painting by Van Gogh. Where does your eye go first? What patterns do you notice? How do the colors guide your gaze? And that's the secret language of composition. From lines and shapes to silence and rhythm, you now have the tools to see like an artist. But this is just the beginning. Art history is full of bold choices, hidden meanings, and brilliant minds. So if you're ready for more, let's keep exploring, one painting at a time. If you've enjoyed this journey, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell. There's a lot more art waiting for us.